Good morning, students. So we were studying chapter number 6, the political India, and in this chapter we have learned about and we have discussed about these things, that the British rule our country India over 200 years, and it was a monarchy. Okay, that in this a king or a queen rule over a country, and we do not argue with them. Whatever they say, we have to follow it, and it is wrong. Then on 15 August 1947, India became free, and we celebrate Independence Day on that day. Okay. And on 26 January 1950, India became republic. Now we have our own constitution. And we have discussed about that we have now a government, means now we can choose the people who will rule or run our country. Means now we have right to choose our leader. Okay, and they will not whatever they say, we don't need to follow everything they say. If we feel it wrong, we can argue also. Okay, so there are two types of government in our country. They are the central government and the state government. Now let us discuss about the central and the state government in detail. So here in this one side is our central government. Its head office is located in Delhi. Where it is located? In Delhi. Okay, you can see in this picture also that Prime Minister and the Minister of Councils walking out of the Parliament, and it is located where? In Delhi. What they do there? Okay, so the central government. What is the central government? It is the highest government authority of our country. Means they are on the highest. Okay, so they are the highest government authority of our country. They rule our country from Delhi. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in our country, and they rule all over them. Listen children, there is one correction in your book, that there are 28 states and 8 union territories. I want all of you to correct it and learn all the correct union territories and states. So there are 28 states and 8 union territories in our country. So the central government look after the issues such as, means there something work they will do. Why they are governing us, why they are ruling over us, वो हमारे ऊपर राज क्यों करते हैं, हमने उन्हें क्यों चुना है. हाँ, आपके पेरेंट्स ने और मदर ने, फादर ने, why they have chosen the government? Why? Because they look or they take care of education, health, security, food and transport. Okay, like education, it should be given to each and every child. Like you, like one child who is sitting on the road, every child will get the education. Every person will get the health and medical checkups. Every person or our country must be secure, so we have army. So our government look after these things and many more things. Okay, it is not about these 5 things only, they are doing a lot of things. Okay, so what does a government do? A government works for the welfare of the people of the country. एक गवर्नमेंट हमेशा लोगों के वेलफेयर, उनकी भलाई के लिए, उनकी प्रोग्रेस के लिए वर्क करती है. ओके, किंग और क्वीन की तरह नहीं करती कि वो किंग और क्वीन सिर्फ उनकी भलाई और उनके प्रोग्रेस के लिए वर्क करते हैं. ऑलमोस्ट, नॉट एवरीवन, ऑलमोस्ट. बट जो एक गवर्नमेंट होती है, तो कंट्री में जितने भी लोग होते हैं उन सब की भलाई के लिए, उन सब की प्रोग्रेस के लिए वर्क करती है. वो टेक केयर करती है. दे आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, सिक्योरिटी, फूड, like everybody get the food, transport, etc. Okay, you have seen that. Now who is the head of the government? So who are the part of the central government? These people are the part of the central government. First of all, the President of India. Okay, So do you know who is the President of India, children? I will show you one picture. So he is the President of our country. His name is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. What is the name? Ramnath Kovind. He is the President of our country. Okay. President, then Vice President. See, he is the Vice President of our country. His name is Venkaiah Naidu. What is the name? Venkaiah Naidu. Okay, it is written also over here, Venkaiah Naidu. He is the Vice President of our country. Now the Prime Minister of our country. Children, do you know who is the Prime Minister of our country? I guess almost everybody knows. So, he is the Prime Minister of our country, Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, now and here is the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Council of Ministers. Okay, so Council of Minister means group of ministers that rule our country. They take care of different issues. Like one of them take care of education, one of them take care of food of people. Okay, one of them take care of the security of the country. Okay, so here is the Council of the Minister of our Prime Minister. Okay, so the President, the Vice President, the Prime Minister and his Council of Minister means his group of ministers. They are the part of the central government of our country. And children, its base is in New Delhi. Where it is? In New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of our country. It is here. Okay, you can see it is here, Delhi. So all the ministers like the President, the Vice President, the Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers, they all are working from here, from Delhi. Okay, now one more thing. Okay, look at this picture, children. This is the picture of a book. Okay, what is this? A picture of a book, and the name of the book is the Constitution of India. Okay, what is the name of the book? Constitution of India means the Constitution of India is a book. Okay, so Constitution, what is our Constitution? It is a book. In this book, rules and duties are mentioned by our leaders to run the country. So all these people, how they run the country? With the help of this book. They read in this book all the rules and regulations and then run our country. Then they rule over the country. They work for the welfare of the people. So what is the Constitution of India? It is a book, rule book of India. क्या बोल सकते हैं हम? ये एक rule book है. What is written over in this rule book? The rules and duties are mentioned how to run our country. हमारी country को कैसे चलाना है, वो सारे rules और regulation हमारी Constitution of India में लिखे हुए हैं. So all these people follow this book. Okay, the President, the Vice President, the Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, you, me, your father, your mother, they all are following this Constitution of India. Okay, rule book of our country. So now one more thing, children, one simple question, that our country is very big, you know that, and Delhi is very small. So how it is possible from Delhi to rule this much big country? It's very, very difficult. So what our leaders had done, they make states and union territories. What they make? They make different states, and they make, see, you can see, this is Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Okay, what they make? They make different states to rule it better. किस लिए? उसको अच्छी तरह से रूल करने के लिए. Because from Delhi it is not possible to rule all over the India. हमारी country इतनी बड़ी है कि सिर्फ दिल्ली से इसको रूल करना पॉसिबल नहीं है अच्छे से. सो क्या करा उन्होंने? छोटे छोटे स्टेट्स बनाए. दे मेक स्मॉल स्टेट्स एंड दे मेक अ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट देयर. ओके, Central government is in Delhi, and now each and every state have their own state government. क्यों है वो state government? ताकि वो उस state को अच्छे से rule कर सके. दिल्ली भी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट भी उसे रूल करेगा, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द डिसीजन हु विल टेक? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट टेक. ओके, लाइक राजस्थान हैव इट्स ओन स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, गुजरात हैव इट्स ओन स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, महाराष्ट्र विल हैव इट्स ओन स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, छत्तीसगढ़, उड़ीसा, बिहार, झारखंड and so on, all the states have their own state governments. Okay children, so India is a large country. It has 28 states and 8 union territories. Again there you have to do 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, each state has its own government called the state government. What is the state government? The government which is lying in each and every state, which take care of the welfare of the people of state. What is the meaning of welfare? Means उनकी भलाई, उनकी progress के लिए work करती है. Okay, same work like central government do, they are doing only for the state. जो काम central government करती है वही काम state government करती है, but state government सिर्फ एक state के लिए करती है. Okay, so the governor is the head of the state. Okay, and he is the governor of our state Rajasthan. His name is Kalaraj Mishra. Okay, what is the name of the government of Rajasthan? Kalaraj Mishra. So he is the head of our state Rajasthan, and the other, and followed by the chief minister of Rajasthan. His name is Ashok Gehlot. So they two are the heads, and rest his council of minister also. Okay, its base is the capital city of the state. अच्छा, जैसे कि दिल्ली, जैसे कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का बेस था दिल्ली में, जो कि इंडिया का कैपिटल था, तो हर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का जो बेस होगा वो कहाँ होगा? स्टेट का कैपिटल. लाइक व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ राजस्थान? जयपुर. सो हियर इज द बेस ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. आवर गवर्नमेंट इज इन जयपुर. ठीक है, सो सभी स्टेट का जो बेस होगा उनकी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का, वो कैपिटल होगा उसका. ओके, so one more thing which is left out about today's topic is, see, this picture is of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, he is the person who is known as the father of the constitution because he play a major role in writing the constitution of our country. So who is he? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is known as the father of the constitution. Our constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. So read the chapter up to here. Read the chapter and learn the name of all the states and union territories. I will give you afterwards. Learn this name of states. So we have learned so many name of the states. Like we have learned previously about Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Okay, there are many more states, children, like Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, and identify the shape of Andhra Pradesh. This is Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Okay, learn all these states, then I will tell you how to learn these states, this small one. Okay, bye bye, thank you, I'll see you in my next video.